Hello student, Namaste Savanalai. So today I am going to teach you all about peripheral nervous system. So in peripheral nervous system, first we are going to deal about cranial nerves. So in human beings, we know there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves in human beings, and so now I am going to provide you a trick to remember the names and the nature of cranial nerves, whether it is sensory or motor or mixed. So for the names, we have a trick that is Old ox of Tokyo touches a fawn and got very strong horn. That this is the trick, and the name are O means olfactory, O means optic, O means oculomotor, then T means trochlear, again T means trigeminal, A for obtrusions, F for facial, A for auditory, G for glossopharyngeal, B for vagus, S for spinal accessory, S for hypoglossal. And remember one thing, remember the trick, remember the name in sequence. And now for the nature of knobs, we have again one trick, and the trick is some says money matter, but my brother says big brain matter more. So S for sensory, again S for sensory knob, M for motor knob, again M for motor knob, B for both, that is mixed knob, that is mixed knob. So both means here both means mixed knob. Again M for motor knob, B for both, that is mixed knob, S for sensory knob, B for both, that is mixed knob, again B for both, that is mixed knob, M for motor knob, and again M for motor knob. So remember both the trick and remember the name in continuously. That is O olfactory. So O and old and some. So O for olfactory and S for sensory. So olfactory is sensory nerve, optic is sensory nerve, oculomotor is motor nerve, and so remember in this way. And here trochlear is smallest cranial nerve, when trigeminal is largest cranial nerve, and vagus is longest and most branched. Vagus is longest and most branched. So remember the trick. So my dear student, take the screenshot, and now I am going to deal about another part of peripheral nervous system, that is spinal nerves. So take the screenshot. Now let's move into the spinal nerves. So in second we are dealing about spinal nerves. So in human there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. 31 pair of spinal nerves, and in rabbit 37 pair. Rabbit is not necessary, but take it for reference. So in rabbit we have 37 pair of spinal nerves, and in human beings we have 31 pair of spinal nerves. So the spinal nerves are, the name of spinal nerves is the same as the name of our vertebra, so it does not need any trick. In first we have cervical spinal nerves. In second we have thoracic spinal nerve. In third we have lumbar spinal nerve. In fourth we have sacral spinal nerve. In fifth and the last we have coccygeal spinal nerves. So now we have in human and in rabbit. In human and rabbit we have cervical spinal nerves as 8 pair, thoracic 12 pair, lumbar 5 pair, sacral 5 pair, coccygeal 1 pair. So total of 31 pair. And now in rabbit we have 8 pair, 12 pair, 7 pair, 4 pair and 6 pair. So total of 37 pair. So in human and rabbit, in both cervical spinal nerves and thoracic spinal nerves are same, that is cervical 8 pair in both human and rabbit and thoracic 12 pair in both human and rabbit, and then is little different. So you can remember these as like, remember the code, remember these like a code at 12551 and at 12746, at 12551, at 12551, at 12746. So this all about the spinal nerves. I hope you all understand the both cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. So this much for today. Take the screenshot. This much for today, and thank you for the class.